Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you less important updates about Toshi Coin, its price prediction 2025, and its major central exchange listing. Because friends, recently this meme coin is listed on MEX exchange. Okay, there was a major central exchange listing for this meme coin because you can see already its market cap is $116 million market cap, but still this meme coin is not listed on many central exchanges, nor even on KuCoin exchange. So is it possible that we can see Toshi coin listing on major central exchange just like Crypto.com can list, Bybit can list, KuCoin, Binance and Coinbase in future or not? So that's be very special, very important. You have to just watch the complete video here. Fresh Toshi current price 0.3 times 0 to $7. Base ecosystem meme coin. Okay, here you can see friends. Kathy meme coin on base chain. This is good. $116 million market. This is awesome. Last 1 year performance is amazing. 1300% pump in last 1 year. 100% pump in last 30 days. 60% pump in last 14 days. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. $6.4 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is awesome. 420 billion coin supply all in circulation, and as I told you, this is the best ecosystem meme coin after bread. This is I think second highest market and high trading volume meme coin in best ecosystem. Coin has already killed 4 zeros. Okay friends, still we can say it's not officially bull run started, but before starting of bull run this meme coin has already killed 4 zeros here. But still we are 64% down the install time high that was 8 months ago. But as this meme coin has already killed 4 zeros since its launching, so this is awesome performance from this meme coin. But friends, it's real possible as recently we is listing on MEX exchange, so it's possible that we can see many other major central exchange listing for Toshi coins in coming weeks, and after that it's also possible that we can see its new all-time high also, because right now we are 64% down the install time high, but right now it's possible that we can see its new all-time high also. MEXC has recently listed this meme coin. Before that, Gate.io, XT.com, Arbit, BingX has listed, CoinX has listed, and Bitrue has listed. So these are the central exchanges where this meme coin is listed, and Polnix has listed. So friends, still MEXC is not updated here, but if you open MEXC exchange and you can check out Toshi coin, so you'll find right now Toshi coin on MEXC exchange also. And friends, 470,000 holders. So this is awesome that 470,000 holders for this meme coin. So this is awesome. $117 million on chain market cap. This is awesome. And friends, these are the top 50 wallet they are holding Toshi coin. You can see number one wallet at 3.5% supply. Okay, so less supply holding by top wallet. So this is good. There's no much well issue here. You can see these are some wallets, crypto wallet they are holding this meme coin. So there's I think no any well issue here. If my website is no doubt also looking good, I can see Toshi bulls on best. Okay, as I already told you, this is I think the second most market meme coin on best chain. So no doubt token is looking good, and you can check out all further details here. As entire details are provided here. You can see these are the top central exchanges where this meme coin is right now listed, and maybe we can see its major central exchange listing soon. Okay, it's possible that we can see Toshi listing on many other central exchanges also. So friends, now my price prediction about Toshi coin is that as now our market is already $116 million, but friends, still this meme coin has lots of potential to maybe we can see its market up to $10 billion here. Okay, it's really possible that we can see Toshi coin market in next 8 to 12 months up to $5 to $10 billion here. Because friends, bull run is still not started here, and already this coin has killed 4 zeros, so it means this meme coin has potential. And because there's still loads of central exchange listing left for this meme coin, so when it be listed on KuCoin exchange, Bybit, Crypto.com, Binance, Coinbase, then definitely we can see its market cap in $1 billion here. And my price prediction about meme coin is there we can see its market cap up to 5 to maybe $10 billion in next year mega bull run. Friends, what do you think? What's your price prediction about meme coin? You can must comment down below.